Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps on your PC or laptop. This is incredibly useful for planning routes, checking traffic conditions, and exploring locations from the comfort of your desktop. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you to the Google Maps homepage where you can access all the mapping features available on desktop. Once you're on the page, you'll see a search bar at the top left. Click on it and type in the location you want to go to. After entering your destination, click on the Directions button. This will open up the route planning interface where you can customize your journey. Now you'll notice a field labeled Starting Point appears. Click on this field and input your current location or wherever you want to start your journey from. As soon as you enter this information, Google Maps will automatically calculate and display a route between these 2 points. Take a look at the top of the screen where you'll see several transportation icons. These include options for car, motorcycle, transit, walking, biking, and even airplane. Click on whichever mode of transportation you plan to use, and the route will adjust accordingly. Each option provides different travel times and route suggestions based on how you're planning to travel. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you'll find the Layers option. Hover your mouse over it and click on More. This is where you can really customize what information appears on your map. In the Map Details section, you'll see several useful options including transit, traffic, biking, terrain, street view, wildfires, and air quality. You can toggle these on based on what's relevant to your journey. For example, if you click on traffic, the map will display current traffic conditions along your route with color coding showing where there are delays. This helps you plan around congested areas. You'll also notice a Map Tools section where you can access features like travel time and measure. These tools are handy for calculating distances or estimating how long different routes might take. Below that, you'll find map type options where you can switch between default view and satellite view. The satellite view gives you an aerial photographic perspective, which can be helpful for recognizing landmarks or seeing terrain. Finally, look at the lower right corner of the screen where you'll see a yellow human icon. This is the Street View feature. Click and drag this icon onto any road on the map and you'll enter an immersive street-level view. This lets you virtually explore the area as if you were actually there, which is perfect for familiarizing yourself with unfamiliar locations. And that's it. You now know how to navigate Google Maps on your PC or laptop with all its essential features. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.